Hello, knife detector here. So I went on a little vacation with my wife recently. She wanted to go see a concert in Houston, and we stopped by this great big gasoline station slash convenience store slash barbecue place slash a lot of other things called Buc-ee's. And Buc-ee's sells a lot of different things, and one of the things they sell is knives. And I had never seen their knife cabinet before, but I came across this knife that I liked. I wanted to share it with you and do an unboxing. Now I'm calling this an unboxing even though when I got it, it was the last one they had in the case, and as you can see, it was not cheap. In fact, I think I did overpay by a couple of bucks, because after looking on eBay, I see that there's a cheaper one for about 22 bucks. But nonetheless, it's a good working knife that I think I'm going to enjoy using. So this is a Boker Plus. It's like a cheaper section of Boker. Boker has the Tree brand, and they had other Tree brand knives there too that were for $50 and $100, but I saw this one and I just kind of like the traditional style of this one. So they went out, they looked in the back, they didn't have any more. They gave me the one on the case. So as you open the box, it does not come with a sheath. I like the mustard yellow color that it comes with. I think it's kind of unique, kind of nostalgic. It has the registration papers. If I want to go ahead and call the company or send this into the company and register this knife in case I ever want to repair it later for whatever reason. Now, it's pretty basic, the box it came in. The knife itself, feels good in the hand. It's a sawbuster type knife. I like that it has a lanyard hole right here for you to put a lanyard loop through if you so choose. On the blade, you have Boker on there, and it says Boker Plus. It says high carbon stainless steel in the back, and it's a good looking knife. You know, it's for what it is, for what I paid for it. It's a good looking knife. It's very sharp. It is very functional. It's got some brass rivets here. Stainless steel there. Brass liners. It's a nice lockback design. So, like this very much. I'm going to go ahead and use it, carry it from time to time. I think I'm probably going to put it in a sheath. I think the handle, I can't tell. I think it's a type of a plastic or resin. I don't believe it's micarta. But still, good looking knife. I think so. I like the color. I kind of like earthy, understated colors. So, just wanted to share that with you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And this is Knife Detector signing off.